Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a pin code in Messenger using the 2024 update. So let's get started. So here we are, and the first thing that we need to do is to go into our App Store in our iPhone, and you want to search for Messenger and make sure that your Messenger app right here is currently updated. So if you have the update button instead of open button, then I suggest that you update it first. But if not, then you can now open your Messenger app. And then once you're here in your Messenger, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left of your screen. And then tap on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right. And then from here, you want to go into the privacy and safety right here, tap on that. And then from here, you want to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Once you're here, tap on manage storage. And then from here, you now have the reset pin right here option. So this is a way for you to create a new pin code in Messenger. But if it is your first time to open your Messenger app since you have updated your Messenger, then it should pop up that you can create a new pin code for you to set up your end-to-end encrypted chats. So if you want to change it, then this is how you basically want to do it. Tap on reset pin, and then you'd need to create your new pin right here and so on. And you also have your generate 40 character code. So make sure not to share this with anyone because you need to keep this code somewhere safe. If you lose this code, then Messenger cannot help you restore your chats. And yeah, that is basically how you can create a pin code in Messenger. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.